Yeah, it's very simple and easy. Hi, this is Korean꾸야. Welcome to my cooking channel again. Today I'm gonna cook very simple food. I'm gonna cook Korean style egg drop soup. When you order fried rice at Chinese restaurant in Korea, they will give you free egg drop soup. So I'm gonna cook that kind of egg drop soup. Okay? Let's start to cook. Today's ingredients are egg and leek. I sliced leek like this. Prepare the water. I used this kind of bowl because I want to show you the color. I will use just a little oyster sauce. I think this is a little bit too dark. Yeah, this is a little bit too dark. I put too much oyster sauce in here. If you don't have oyster sauce, you can use just soy sauce instead of oyster sauce. Okay, this is for just color. I want to give a little bit more, just a little bit more flavor. I cannot measure correctly because it's we have all different tastes. New way of measuring. Just depend on your taste. Just a little soy sauce and salt, and add just a little of dashida. Yeah, like this. If I use a black pot, I can't see the correct color, so that's why I use the white bowl and boil this. Let's boil this. And Korean egg drop soup doesn't use cornstarch. It's more easy to cook. If you have a crab stick, you can mix with this. If you have a mushroom, you can mix with this and put starch in the soup. It will be a crab meat soup or mushroom soup. Okay, it start to boil. Oh shit, and leek. Yeah, it means done. And add just a little sesame oil. That's it. Done. It's finished. I will taste this. Look at this egg. Hot egg drop soup. It's so nice. Enjoy your egg drop soup. It was Koreankuya. Bye bye.